Every great journey begins with a dream, and every dream deserves a right place. Spread across sprawling 63-acre wide campus and 8 dynamic departments, Government Polytechnic Amravati is not just an institution. It's a place where skills are sharpened and futures are built. Established in 1955 and granted academic autonomy in 1995, the institution stands out as Maharashtra's most senior government polytechnic across multiple disciplines. Gymkhana, a hub for student engagement and professional development, equipped with modern facilities and sitting capacity around 300. It hosts expert lectures, seminars, competition, and institutional programs, helping students enhance their communication, teamwork, and organizational skills beyond academics. When people hear about computer engineering, all they think is that they sit at the key and type some random code. Well, that's just level 1. Hello everybody, I am Hani Khan, a student of Government Polytechnic Amravati, welcoming you to Computer Engineering Department. Learning is not only limited to classroom. We believe the best way to learn is by creating. One of our biggest highlights is Center of Excellence in Product Design using IoT and 3D modeling and printing, established on 7 October 2024. This state-of-the-art facility includes 15 innovative IoT and 3D printed models, giving students a hands-on experience on smart technology, rapid prototyping, and embedded systems. This is a place where ideas meet engineering and your innovations can actually come to life. Now, moving beyond the traditional approach, we have these smart classrooms which are equipped with the modern digital facilities. It makes the learning more interactive, engaging, and effective for the students.
This well-equipped seminar hall serves as the center of learning, innovation, and collaboration. It regularly hosts a technical seminar, expert lecture, faculty development programs, and television.
As you come along the stairs, you can see that this side is Department of Information Technology and this side is Department of Computer Engineering. And here is another modern addition to our computer engineering department, that is the MSBT Computer Center, established in 2024. It is mainly equipped with 42 highly configured computer accessories. This lab provides the students the dedicated space for practical programming and the technology-based activities. Along with this, the lab has 2 servers and up to 14 hours of power backup so that the student can continue their learning without interruption. It is the place where students can study and explore beyond the classroom. Our library is spread across the area of about 1600 meters. Our library offers the wide collection of books enduring more than 49,000 reference books. Welcome to the Electronics Department of Government Polytechnic Amravati. here we have our girls hostel. Welcome to our pharmacy department.
Now let's visit the college canteen, the most vibrant place on the campus. Now let's take a look at the boys hostel facility at Government Polytechnic Amravati, a comfortable home away from the home.
Examination cell ensures a transparent, efficient and technology-enabled evaluation process, upholding the highest standards of academic integrity. From admission to graduation, the student section ensures student-centric administrative process with transparency and efficiency. From foundation to skyline, the Department of Civil Engineering transforms engineering principles into foundation that connect communities and shape the future. The Environmental Laboratory provides a physical exposure to environmental analysis and sustainable practices, fostering an eco-conscious and responsible infrastructure development. Now moving towards the mechanical workshop, where student gains the hands-on experience on the modern lathe machines and the thieves.
Welcome to the CET cell, an online examination center of Government Polytechnic Amravati. This is the one of the largest computer laboratory on our campus.
From designing powerful machines to mastering advanced manufacturing, our mechanical engineering department transforms knowledge into innovation. Here, every project brings students one step closer to becoming future-ready engineers. From circuits to power systems, from theory to real-world applications, our Department of Electrical Engineering inspires innovation at every step. Join us in building a brighter, smarter, and electrified future.
Welcome to the Physics and Chemistry laboratories of the Government Polytechnic Amravati. Every breakthrough starts with a question and every answer begins with an experiment. This one is the industry-sponsored robot that introduces the student with automation and modern manufacturing.
Every year, our college comes alive with the spirit of celebration through its annual gathering and sports events. These moments inspire teamwork, creativity, and unforgettable memories beyond the classroom.
From knowledge to skill, from ambition to achievement, every step at Government Polytechnic Amravati is a step toward future. Together, we learn, we innovate, and we grow. A place where possibilities become reality.